Hello, my name is Melissa Thomas, and I serve as the coordinator of Equity and Excellence in Education Certificate Program at McDaniel College. I would like to take a couple of moments to discuss with you an amazing opportunity for a cross-county cohort in the state of Maryland. There are many benefits to being part of a cohort, one of which is a professional learning community. Typically, learning communities are in the school systems or the schools in which we teach, but in this case, you would be able to link up with educators, counselors, and administrators from throughout the state in order to discuss state, local issues, and also to share your passion for equity in education. There's a diverse group of instructors in this program who all understand the state of Maryland school systems and have worked for those at some point in time. Some of them are still current Maryland state employees. What everyone likes to hear is about the reduced tuition costs for our program. So if you do join a cohort, you get $200 off per class for each of the graduate level classes in this McDaniel cohort. So typically the program rates are $1,530. You would receive the tuition rate of $1,330. And there's no application fee. You would need to discuss with your HR department what your benefit and resources are for your tuition. How this works is McDaniel directly bills your school system for whatever is the allowable credit for you, and then the remainder of that amount is billed to you. So we like to call that direct billing, and that means that it cuts out you paying for everything ahead of time and having to submit for billing when it's all finished. There is an administrative fee of $100 per semester. That's what the current rate is. So let's talk about those courses. In Equity and Excellence in Education, there are 5 different courses. They range from an introductory course, The Foundation of Social Justice, the whole way down through to where we're researching and planning for equity in our school system. If you're interested in reading more about these courses, you can visit us on our website. The first course in this cohort is set to begin on June 8th, 2020. These courses are all delivered online in an 8-week format, and there are no synchronous meetings. So you don't have to worry about when am I going to get into class. You can totally make this work around your school schedule. We sort of tell students to plan on logging in about 3 times a week just so you can be involved in the conversation, and that's how we show our attendance in an online class also. I would be your academic advisor for this program, so I have my information here that you're able to see. It will also be on the flyer that you have electronically. So how do you apply for this program? That's a great question. So you would follow this link in order to start the graduate program this summer. All application materials have to be submitted by May 8th, 2020, and make sure you use the cohort HE5. That's your cohort code and gives you an opportunity to have direct billing. It gives you the reduced tuition rate, and it also makes sure that you can get into the classes because these classes are held only for those who are joining the cohort. So they close up, we make sure that there are seats available for you all, and then everyone else who isn't part of the cohort may not get a seat. If you want to learn more about McDaniel's graduate program, you can visit us on our website at www.mcdaniel.edu/graduate. That'll give you an opportunity to go in and look through all of the programs. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with me this evening, and if you have any questions, please refer to my email or refer to the flyer that you received electronically. Thank you.